Hi kids, today we will learn counting. 1. That's number 1. I am 1. 1. 1 pie. 1 pie. Let's write number 1. O-N-E 1. 2. That's number 2. 2. I am number 2. 2 candles. 2 candles. Let's write number 2. T W O 2. 2. Number 2. 3. That's number 3. I am 3. 3. 3 balloons. 3 balloons. Let's write number 3. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 4. That's number 4. I am 4. 4. 4 lollipops. 4 lollipops. Let's write number 4. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. That's number 5. I am 5. 5. 5 kites. 5 kites. Let's write 5. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. That's number 6. I am 6. Number 6. 6 candies. 6 candies. Let's write 6. S-I-X 6. 7. That's number 7. I am 7. Number 7. 7 pencils. 7 pencils. Let's write number 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. That's number 8. I am 8. Number 8. 8 eggs. 8 eggs. Let's write 8. Number 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. That's number 9. I am 9. 9 berries. 9 berries. Let's write number 9. N-I-N-E 9. 10. That's number 10. I am 10. Let's write 10. 1, 0, 10. T-E-N 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For more videos, subscribe Kidscamp.